Hi, I am Candy Pangilinan. I am a Catholic and I'm a believer and I believe in Jesus and I love my faith. Why? Why do I share my faith? Hindi po ako nagmamayabang, hindi ko sinasabi because marami ako nalakasan. It's not because of that. I want to share my faith because I think every one of us is broken. Every person is broken. And sharing my faith at the same time strengthens me as a person because it gives me that accountability and responsibility. Na-realize ko po yun nung nag-start po akong mag-testify. Yung accountability and responsibility na nagsisimula po habang nagsasalita po ako. Nararamdaman ko po yun. Yes, it becomes bigger. It also becomes a reminder to me na, ay, oo, tama. It is just not a reminder to anyone, but to me. Actually, sharing your faith is more of being an encourager to other people who are going through the same things. Maybe we are not going through the same journey. We don't have the same story, but I am quite sure we are going through the same brokenness. Every person is broken. Kumbaga lahat ng tao may storya yan. And lahat ng tao, yun ang kailangan para mabuo. Ang faith. And without that faith, anong kasama ng faith na yon? Is the trust. The trust that God loves us more than we love ourselves. I think that is more, yun ang pinaka-importante. Yun ang pinaka-importante po. At yun po ang pinangahawakan ko. That no matter what happens, God has great plans for our lives. I truly believe in my heart. And that is what I want to tell everyone. Every one of you who is watching right now and going through something, kahit ano pa po ang pinagdadaanan ninyo, believe God loves you more than you love yourself. And God loves your family more than you love your family. And He has great plans for you. And all you have to do is surrender and have trust. Ano po natutunan ko about faith? Faith comes with a lot of trust. Ibig sabihin, once you say your prayers to the Lord and you cry to the Lord and you say, Lord, ito po ang problema ko. Pero pag lumabas ka at umiiyak ka pa rin, that means you did not trust God. Why? Because nagsabi ka lang, but you did not believe that God will take over. Dapat once you say your prayer, once you tell the Lord, Lord, please take over and overtake me with your blessing. This is my problem. Please take over. Ikaw nang bahala. Dapat paglabas mo, you have that peace and joy in your heart because you trust that God has taken over and He will take over, overtake you with your blessings. And ibig sabihin nun, because of that faith, you will be strengthened. Why do I share it? Again, sabi nga nila, ano daw ang purpose ng man? I think it is the need to be needed. Lahat po tayo. We have the need to be needed. That is our purpose. The need to be needed. Parents are need to be needed by their children. The children are need to be needed by their parents. And likewise to all our relationships. And likewise, parents are there to encourage their children. And children are there to encourage their parents. And likewise, to all kinds of relationships. We are need to be needed. We are here to be needed. And we are here to encourage each other. Actually, the mere fact, your presence to your family, your presence to your loved one is already a testimony of faith. The mere presence that you are there, that you are available, that you want to communicate, that you want to love, that you want to listen, is already a sharing and a testimony of faith. Again, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, why do I share my faith? Because it strengthens me as a person. And I think this responsibility and accountability, it is scary. Natatakot po ako. Yung totoo po, bilang tao, human being, and very weak as a person I am scared. But then, who am I? Sabi nga nila, my God is bigger than me. Greater is He who is in me than He is in the world. So I know God will take over and overtake me with His blessings. And God will overtake and take over everything in my life if I just surrender, consecrate, dedicate everything to Him. Faith. Let's have faith. Because if you don't have that faith, there will be no hope. And if you don't have that hope, there will be despair, sadness, and anxiety. And that will be the end for everyone. With that faith and with that trust in God, there will be a better world for everyone, for our children, for our families, for each one of us. Thank you.